Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sign up on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Trainline application. After that, when you open it, it will look something like this. But of course, we are not signed up at the moment, and we need to do that. What you need to do is click on the bottom right corner, click on the sign in option, click there, and then click on either of these options. So you can sign in with email, continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Basically, new customer, create an account, click on that button there, and here you need to put your email. So I'm putting the email now. Then you need to create your password. So you can go and choose your own password, of course, which I will be choosing now. And then you have to put your first name and last name. So guys, the information that I'm putting here is not real information. It's only for the sake of this video. After that, you just need to go and click actually create account. And you just need to wait, loading. And you can allow notification or not. And here it is. You have created your account. As you can see, you're immediately logged in. You have example tickets, account, everything is here as you can see. That's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, helps us grow our channel a lot. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.